Hello everyone, welcome to TWT channel. From this video you will learn how to stake your TWT and earn free JULD tokens. Beefy Finance launched the second The Barn of Trust. Beefy Finance is a yield optimizer on Binance Smart Chain. I have a video about the first Trust Barn, where you can stake TWT and earn front. It lasted only 1 week. This one also lasts 1 week and should end at February 18th, so hurry up. Subscribe to my channel and we start. First of all, you should go to a Trust wallet. I leave a link in the description if you don't have it already. Then we should buy some TWT. For Trust Barn, you can stake up to 1000 TWT. You can buy tokens using an app or using exchanges. TWT can be using BEP2 or BEP20. In order to earn your free tokens from the Barn of Trust, you will need to stake BEP20 TWT. You can see what chain in your wallet here. There are steps on how to change the chain. If you use exchanges, Binance for example, you should just send your TWT from Binance to your wallet. Paste your address here and choose the chain. Before we can go on Beefy Finance, we should also have a few BNB Smart Chain for fees. You can buy it on Binance and send it here like we did it with TWT. When you have tokens on your wallet, you can go on the apps. Tap this link in the search. Choose Smart Chain here. Click on Connect and choose Trust Wallet. Then open TWT Staking. Click Stake Tokens and enter the amount of TWT you want to stake. After that, you should approve a smart contract. Now we can see our available rewards here. You can see on the screen how to add JULD token to your wallet. When the staking ends or earlier, you can just click Claim and add stake. Thank you for watching. Support our new channel with a like and subscribe. Links of all sites will be in the description. See you in the next videos.